I love getting all the views for this channel.
I got all the views.
Apparently not anymore. It's all me and my boom buddies.
Boom buddies? Seriously?
Shut up and leave. You don't even belong in this episode.
Fine. Next thing you put that Eddie Swanson.
Well, back to what I was saying.
Sonic, correct?
Wait, what are you doing in my... whatever, I think you mean Sonic.
No, it says Sonic right here.
Whatever, just give me the package.
Okay, so you're gonna pay with that with, let's see, wait, what? No!
Now I wonder what this package is. What the...
Hi Sonic, this is Mario. I sent you Super Mario Odyssey because I wanted to show you how much my game was better than yours. Because, yeah.
Mario's right, Sonic. Sonic Force is gonna suck big bubble bass balls.
Tails, get out of here. I don't even live in that universe. I can't believe Mario would insult me like this. I have to destroy this stupid, crappy game.
Sonic! But it's Mario's new globe-trotting adventure, and it plays like some of the best Mario games!
Sticks, get out of here. I gotta burn this game. Alright. Goodbye, Super Mario Odyssey. Burn! 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 Why isn't it burning? Maybe I'll smash it instead. Get ready to die, Mario. Die! 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 It's indestructible.
I'm too strong, Sonic. You can't beat me.
Is this game actually talking to me? I must be going crazy. This game is perfect! It's beautiful in every way! Aw man, I love playing Mario Odyssey. Even Sonic the Hedgehog himself is playing my game.
What are you in here for?
What?